back, everybody. We are at the Hatfield McCoy Trails in West Virginia, and I'm on the KLX 300. Hopefully I don't regret this. Oh, sweet. And I'm the only dual sport bike out here. We're out here with Beta 480, a Beta 300X trainer, KX 250, KX 450, some Huskies, a KTM 500. So we're definitely the only dual sport today. So we'll see how we fare off. All right, getting up in there. I've never been over to this trail system. This is the Pinnacle trail system of the Hatfield McCoy Trails. So we'll see what it's all about. But yeah, these trail systems are pretty cool. They're really fun for just riding on and kind of going fast, and they get hairy in some spots for sure. But how it works here is there's numbers. That was 18 and 33, so pretty low numbers, and they rate them like greens, blues, blacks, double blacks, and whatnot. But basically, the lower the number, the easier the trail. So I think they go up to about close to 200. The highest one I've seen, yesterday we were riding and I saw a little pull off for a 195, which is a single track. So I would like to try one of those. But we're riding with a big group today, so I'm not sure if I'll really get to today. Kind of just going with the flow of the group today. Woo! That Beta 300 two-stroke eats. Throwing little chips at me. Super average stuff so far, but she's hanging in real good.
How's the bike doing, Nolan? Still good?
Yeah, it's good. KLX is leading the group right now. Some real rocky stuff for sure, though. Uh-oh. What do we got here? Oh, God. Oh God, okay, we're good. Oh, that's a ledge. That scared me a little bit. Oh! Oh, you good? What happened there?
I stopped and I was like, oh shit, I don't have anywhere to go, and I just couldn't.
Oh. A little rocky downhill for sure. Got it. Oh yeah. was an easy little one. I kind of want to do this trail. All right, another hill climb. Here we go. All right, we're rolling. More on this 92. Let's see what else it's got up here. Seems like it brought us pretty high up, but we'll see if we start going back down here. Whoa! I got a little wet on that puddle. Going down, down, down. This is a pretty steep little downhill. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Holy Rocky. Oh yeah, we're going all the way down now. This is fun. Ooh, it's dusty. Holy cow. Oh, that was a nice little corner. Alright, we got a big old hill climb here. Let's see. What is that? My skid plate got loose. I'm gonna have to make sure I bolt that back in. Something was sounding like a rattling freaking soda can. Oh yeah, this wasn't too bad. Looking at it from afar, we were like, I don't know about that. Uh-oh. There we go. Holy cow. The KLX is a freaking freight train, baby. Let's go. Woo! That was a nice little climb. Something was rattling around like a soda can, but I figured out it's just I'm missing a bolt on my skid plate. But I mean, I don't think I'll lose it, but I'm happy it wasn't something else rattling around, or hopefully that skid plate stays with me today. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it on the GoPro or not, but if you hear a little, sounds like a soda can oh yeah, you gotta be able to hear that. That's what it is. Got the zip tie special. That should do the trick for the rest of the day at least. pretty creek we're riding up along right now. There it goes.
You want to come look at this?
Oh, look at that. Uphill. Haven't been talking much, just been doing a lot of ripping. But I'm super happy with how the 300's holding up right now. And these are some fun little trails just to go fast on. We're going up this blue here. Looks real rocky. That was some flowy stuff we were in. I don't know. I've been recording on and off today, so not sure how much I recorded of that, but that was some good flowy and kind of just switchback trails. I'm gonna take this slow. I got no skid plate. Oh my God. Also, as you guys have probably seen from the video, these are two-way trails, so you got to be as careful as you can about that. It's so fun though. Woo! Hell no! Alright everybody, I think that's going to do it for this day in the trails. We're headed back to the car. I think we're about 10-15 minutes away if I had to guess. But KLX pleasantly surprised me. She did really well out here on this rocky stuff. So be sure to drop a like if you're looking for the pegs I got on the bike or my levers, anything like that. I'll link them down below. And be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.